to Ibadan. Conspiracy theories against COVID-19 vaccination on the social media have been described as false and malicious, hence should be disregarded. Correspondent Joel Popola reports that medical experts have attested to the efficacy of the vaccine.
One variant of COVID-19 spreading, most countries are now enacting policies on compulsory vaccination. Most states in Nigeria have made it mandatory for all civil servants to be vaccinated and show evidence to that effect before accessing their place of work. This also applies to those visiting public places. Despite the mass mobilization and enlightenment of Nigerians on the significance of the vaccine, some Nigerians are still skeptical and unwilling to be vaccinated. Medical experts posited that the importance of the vaccine cannot be overemphasized.
We have all had our vaccinations when we were small, even polio, and we are beneficiary of all those things. So I want to encourage everyone around to avail themselves of opportunity and get vaccinated and put aside all these ideologies so that we'll all be healthy, because it's really not going to be effective if 10% is vaccinated and more than 90% are not vaccinated.
I think there's no reason to be scared. I've taken my own vaccine. I've taken the first shot and the second dose. The whole world cannot be wrong. The scientists all over the world cannot just sit down and plan to eliminate the whole world. Nobody will do that.
To avert another round of lockdown that will disrupt economic activities, medical experts urge Nigerians to get full vaccination against COVID-19 without further delay. In Ijebu, Joel Popola, NTA News.
And that's it from Ibadan. It's back to Abuja with Elizabeth.
Thank you so much, Kemi.